Hi there, my name is Hannah, Product Marketing Manager here at Trainual, and today we're going to be talking about topic cover photos. This feature was recommended by a bunch of our customers and it's finally in-app, so I'm super excited to show it to you. So let's go check it out. Right now I'm in my working hours, PTO, and vacation policy, and let's say that I want to add a topic cover photo to my PTO topic. I will just click on that topic, and from there I can just hover over the topic title and click Add Cover Photo. From here, stock images is a great place to start searching for a cover photo. So I can just click on stock image, select any photo, and click add image. And then my photo appears beautifully right in this cover photo area. If you don't like the photo that you choose, just hover over your cover photo, click the three-dot menu on the right-hand side, and say replace cover image. From here, you can repeat the process. So you can even search for specific photos. So you can click stock image and type something like beach. And then you can look through all the beach stock photos that are available, click the one that you like best, and say add image. If you'll notice, the photos that I just chose looked so good as an option, but after I added it, it didn't look so good because where did all the shells go? So to fix this, I'll click on the three-dot menu on the right-hand side and click reposition. From here, I can drag my photo around until I like its position and then say save. And hot tip, the best photo size for this space is 720 pixels wide by 200 pixels high. You can even upload a photo from your photo library. So to do that, just stay in this upload section, click on the drop in image or click to select button. And then from here, you can upload your photo, say add image. All right, beautiful. And you'll notice that when I go to view mode to complete this content, and I start clicking through the steps here, my topic cover image will stay at the top as I navigate through and I learn. All right, now go add some flair to your training material and we will see you next time.